Aunty Donna send up big warning to the people them in America. We are waste time. Guys, Donald Trump win the election and him promise some things. Don't forget that, guys. I don't remember exactly what him said, but he must say some people are going to get released in the country. Some people are going to let go. You see me? So Donna, I want the Jamaican them over there. We've been wasting time from top of time. Squander money. Not have a house out here, not have a bed out here, not have a stove or a car out here. Them have everything in America. Donna send out warning to them. Donna say at least she have a house down a Mountain View. So just in case Trump decides say want tell her to go, she have somewhere can go. Now this is a very serious topic, people. This is a very serious topic. No joking about this. No joking about this. Enough people over America right now. And them spend so much years in America. Them not have nothing at all for themselves. Them waste so much money for a friend and family. And them that have nothing at all out here. Some of them over there, them don't remember where them come from. Them don't remember them country at them birth. They must go over there for them young and just go live and work and work and work and work and work. Them not have a structure. Them not have a foundation. Them not have a land out here. So when you hear them attack people, a true thing they not attack. No joking about that. Enough people in America right now. And big up to the real one them over there. Where you work. Although I can understand that sometimes some people don't want to send their money come out to their family member. Because they don't want to send their money to their family member and then they rip it off. I understand a part there. But there's most somebody you can trust. Big up to the foreign them over there. When you say, yo, you have sitting in a yard. You have 1 and 2 bedroom or 3 bedroom a yard. And you not squander your thing. You see me? And all your insurance pay up and your house well active. Because at the end of the day, you know, if Trump decides that, yo, I'm going to send out a couple of way from over there, back our yard, at least you know, so when we land, we have a house. We have money in our bank, and we have a house. Jamaica not reject me. I'm just saying, if that will happen. So guys, don't hear that attack and thing. There's no joking about that. There's no joking about that. We can't take this thing for joke thing. We have to take it serious. Because we as Jamaicans, you know, we not take nothing serious and everything we take for joke. See, then they make ban TikTok very shortly. Look out for that, people. They make ban TikTok shortly and more things to come. Time I get more serious right about now. Time I get more severe right about now. So now prepare your feet, guys. We can't joke no more. If we don't waste time, don't waste no more again. Because Trump have a mission. The man in the play thing, in the joke thing. Him come for run the White House. You see me? So all one in America, I use a Jamaican. Because I'm in the Caribbean. Because I can't keep any state or country or anything. I have to keep about my Caribbean people, especially my Jamaican them. Because them are the one that imported to we. But some of them over there, you know, people. And them even have nowhere to live. Some of them over there, them not live nowhere. Them a catch. You see me? Them left gone up on boat and a catch. Them not have a job not for themselves. And them not married to nobody. They live so people. A serious thing, you know. A serious thing. Because if Trump say, if Trump do him say I'm gonna do one thing. Remember me tell you, they'll be weeping and mourning. That's why you see you have some people over there, you know, about to do 2 jobs, you know. And they must send back money out here to them family or somebody who them can trust. You see me? Because at the end of the day, them know not for themselves. So yo, them never born here, so and the people country them in anything at all can go wrong. And them have to get deport, go back to them country, guys. So this is no joke thing. This is serious thing right about now, guys. So Planka Boss, big up yourself. You're back in Jamaica. Enjoy yourself in Jamaica, you know. And do as much good as you can, because it's all the good is good enough. You see me? But when you really look for one of people, we say to ourselves, no sir, things is getting real serious right about now. Things are getting serious. Things is not what your job is like one time. And then with you job be like one time, a serious time now, people. Serious time. We have to know what we do. We have to make plan A and plan B. We have to make sure we have a roof over our head in Jamaica. Yeah, we can't have a country and God decides, yo, I have nothing to do with Jamaica. Because you have some foreigner right now, which is another Jamaican. They might tell you straight, I have nothing to do with Jamaica. I'm done with Jamaica. Some of them done with them own country. How can you done with your own country? Eh? Oh, who does that? How can you done with your own country where you're born and grow? Some of them remember where you come from, people. Talk truth. Some of them remember we even address the region first because we are America so long. But be warned, guys. Be warned. I have enough of them now that run up and down like headless chicken. Run up and down now and try to get things straight. Enough of, should I say either one again, people? Enough of them over there and them not straight. Them not straight. Them over the place. Right now, they Mr. Trump in the power. Them run, go link somebody for the papers. Them run, go find a girl for married to. And all these years, them over them could do it. Squander money. Do all kind of things in money. See me? No send them money come here, come give them family. Mistreat them family. And in idea, no one thing. At the same family them I want. At the same family them I want to come help them, guys. No joking about that, guys. Serious thing I go on right now. Serious thing I go on right now. People, be aware. See me? Just do the right thing, man. Hustle the money. Send back the money come a yard. Build a house. Be sitting for yourself, man. So just in case anything attack go wrong, you don't have to come out here and look like an idiot. You don't have to come with the two scanner bag in and broke. It's not a good look. Everybody there foreign if you wise up. That's why Plank about attack, guys. I have to give her credit for that. She attack nothing but facts. She attack the truth. She attack the truth. The Father God says she will speak. Because enough of we over there. Squander the opportunity. We waste life. Waste everything that I have. I will broke like a dog. See me? Enough of we waste life over in America, man. And they want somebody feel sorry for we. We want somebody feel sorry for we. We never help out yet. We never help them yet. And we want them feel sorry for we. You see me? No joking about this, people. Me I tell you. A serious time right now. Serious time right about now, guys. Serious time right now. We have to know what we do. You see me? We have to know where the people. Because guess what I know? I can show nothing. You see more time? People. It's good when you can have money and save money, you know. It's good when you can have money and save money. And send money come out here to make somebody do something for you. Buy a bus on the road, buy a truck, buy a car. I have 2 taxis on the road. Rather, you know, so you're in America, you squander everything. Everything don't even have nothing at all in your bank book. Your bank book dry like a drought. You see me? And enough for them over the people, and enough for them over there right now. Them money might somebody in Jamaica send them $1,000. Enough for them over the people. Go there for opportunity. Mix it themselves in all kind of things and do all kind of madness and want help right about now. Enough for them in a prison. See, the one in a prison people, and them are going to get Lagos first. Them are going to get released quick, man. Back in them country them belong to. See me? I tell you this, guys, no joking about this, man. Social media is a real place. But if you really look for what go on and the levels, if Trump say I'm going to do one thing, people are in some bad situation. See me? So I want what upon social media and I waste time and I cuss and I go on this and I have nothing. I want to waste them time in America. You the American focus on Donna and Chris, anybody else and anybody else at all. Remember, you gotta have it hard. You see me? Because enough of them are sit down and waste time on people name. And them never have shoes or clothes to themselves. Them broke and papa. Yeah, man. Broke and papa and have nothing for themselves. I want to sit down and talk about people. And I said for go. And I said for go. But who God best, no man curse people. Make a watch and see what go on. As Trump reign, guys, best up here, man. Planka boss, respect for the message. As you make enough of them now listening, guys. Enough of them people them now listen. So, bless up. Chat to you soon, guys.